he said, I would like to draw the attention that we do, he said, I would like to inform everybody here that we do a lot of benefits from this program, Liqa Ma'al Arab, and also would like to let everybody know that our knowledge has been improved and polished through this program.
We'll keep waiting for.
Yes. Also, he has said that we wait with great zeal to watch this program too. Then he said that soon more people will be coming from Kababir to prove this point and to prove that we are still firmly around our Imam and around our Jamaat. And also he has said that my wish that the Muslim nation should come around our actual Imam and learn the true Islam. Then he said that in his questions, he said we do raise our hands during certain silent prayers. Are we allowed to do the same thing during the prayers of Qunut in Salat al-Witr or not?
Now, before turning to the question, I should love to pay him a compliment for the quality of his language. It's Arabic al-Fusha of the very highest degree. Many times others also speak very good Arabic. You also speak good Arabic, I understand. But he spoke in a language which I could understand each word of it. He delivered it so beautifully with such punctuation and such clear expressions that it was a treat for me to hear him. So Allah bless you for this beautiful representation of Al-Arabi al-Fusha. And now the question. We sometimes raise our hands in prayer, but most often we do not. That is the part which we have forgotten. Most often we do not raise our hands because in fact we, like Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, try to remember God with prayers all the time. So if we do not raise our hands as a sign, as a token of prayer during our salat, that's not at all amazing. It's in line with with our time. That is the most of our time as it is being spent in prayers, and we do not raise our hands. So raising of hands in the prayer is not essential. Moreover, most often Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, while saying his Dua Qunut, did not raise his hands. Most traditions speak of this clearly, that he kept his hands, arms hanging by his sides, and he said Dua Qunut. Yet there are some ahadith, though rare, which speak of his Rafa Yadain. He sometimes raised his hand again as if he was going to start his prayer, and then drop them. Now this Rafa Yadain could be taken as a sign that hands can be raised. But I have never read a tradition in which Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is mentioned to be standing in prayer, in Dua Qunut or any other prayer, and raising his hands like this. I have yet to come across a single tradition. So if you know any, help me with that. Please. Most of time we spend, outside our prayer. Most of the time we say prayer to Allah, we do not raise our hands. What I made very clear was that some people may quote those ahadith which speak of Rafa Yadain, but those ahadith speak of raising his hands up to his ears and dropping them. They do not speak However, his putting his hands together in the form of prayer. That is what I said, yes. One thing I must add to this, which may be right or wrong, but that is a personal experience. Sometimes during intense emotions, while praying to God, automatically the hands are raised. Not always like this, but as beggars do. So that happens with me many times. I hope it's not against the traditions, but it happens automatically. You know, it's out, I can't help it. So maybe you have gone through the same experience, and Allah bless you and forgive you if it is wrong, as I hope Allah will bless me and forgive me.